little champions! Today we're going to learn about a new number, the number 1. It's tall and straight, like a stick. Are you ready? Spark is here to help too.
Let's go!
Let's go! The number 1 looks like a straight stick. Easy to recognize, right? Now, let's go on a little hunt and find it together. Can you count with me? 1 red pencil, 1 toy car, 1 big star! Just 1! You did awesome! Let's play a riddle! How many up fingers do you see on one hand? Yes, just 1! Great job! You're so smart!
Boop beep! That's right! 1 finger up makes the number 1! You're doing awesome!
Now it's your turn. Grab your pencil and draw the number 1. If you want, you can color it like a rainbow.
I can help too. Let me show you how to draw the number 1 step by step. Watch closely, everyone.
Great job, little champions! You discovered the number 1. You found it, counted it, and even colored it. See you soon for more number fun. Let's sing together now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1 to 10. Let's sing a number song. Let's sing a number song. 1 to 10. 1 to 10.
Let's try a little fast.